How to activate public bank credit card online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to activate public bank credit card online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.pbebank.com. You'll be led to the official webpage of Public Bank. On the top right of your screen, you will see the Login drop-down. Tap on that and then tap on the PBE option you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, in order to log into PBE, enter your user ID and tap on Next and then enter your password and tap on the Login button. Once logged in, you will see the Activate option, so go ahead and tap on the Activate button, and with this you will be able to activate the Public Bank credit card. Also, if you are not being able to log in because you do not remember your login credentials, then you can tap on the Reset Password or Reactivate User ID option there and recover your login credentials. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.